In this video, we'll be working on a 2007 Nissan Sentra with a 2.0 engine, CVT automatic transmission, and federal standard emissions. The current issue we're having is a P0420, which is the lower catalytic converter. Usually the common cause of this is a bad lower heated oxygen sensor, but definitely check with the service manual under engine control system, page 314, for diagnosing other probable causes. I'll have the link to the Nissan forums for the service manuals in the description box. Of course, we gotta get under the car, so I'll be checking up on the passenger side of the vehicle. If you have ramps, just drive up on. That'd be so much easier. Follow this white harness to the heated oxygen sensor. And we'll spray some WD-40 to break up the corrosion, or try to at least. While the WD-40 is soaking, we'll try to get this plug out. Camera decided not to focus while I was doing this. And per usual, Nissan plugs after almost 20 years. These tabs never want to release normally, so you have to pry the tab from the backside. And right here, I would recommend a extension just because there wasn't really any room. But I was on borrowed tools, so there wasn't much I could do. And comparing the two, the right hand side is the one coming off the car, and the left hand sensor is the used low mileage sensor. It had about 60,000 miles on the odometer. I assumed the white stuff was just from fuel additives. Possible another cause for white coating like this is burning coolant. And of course, just check everything to make sure it's the same before installing. For the new sensor, we'll hit it with some carb cleaner. Anti-seize for the threads. And for installation, and if you're able to, torque this down to 37 foot-pounds, or until it bottoms out, and then some more. Plug everything back in. Of course, the tab's a little janky, so you won't hear it click. There should be a cable tie here, but over the years it falls off. So if yours is there, to make sure to tighten that down from there too. Once the install has been made, make sure to clear the codes by disconnecting the battery or just hooking up your OBD2 reader and then deleting the code. Now after the replacement, the code did come back for the P0420. The vehicle here does have over 300,000 miles on their original cat, so So I didn't really think the sensors were of any hope to fixing the issue. But this definitely cemented that the converter does need replacing. We'll probably have a video on that in the future too, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.